Hello, I'm John from OAS FCU, and today I'm going to help you set up the CardNav app on your mobile device. CardNav is a really useful tool that gives you the power to manage how, when, and where your debit card is used. And that means more security for you. You can set limits on spending and get real-time alerts when purchases are made. That way, if you ever see an unwanted purchase, you can stop it before it's complete. Also, with a simple touch, you can turn your card on or off. Now, let me tell you about one of my favorite features. Location controls. If you're traveling, CardNav uses your phone's GPS to help you manage where your card can be used, or to make sure it can only be used when it's with you. This is a really important feature. To get started with CardNav, follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1, go to your App Store and search for the CardNav app. You can get it from the Apple App Store and Google Play. Best of all, it's free. Step 2, set up your account and add your OAS FCU debit card. And Step 3, customize your control and alert preferences. Here's where you can turn on alerts, so when a transaction is made with your card, you get notified. Here's where you can use location controls. CardNav can use your device's GPS location to only allow transactions where you actually are. And if you appear to be out of range, purchases can be automatically denied for your protection. If you use your debit card to shop online, you can enable or disable online purchasing here. With CardNav from OAS FCU, it's easy to control your card and keep your account secure. Download it from your App Store today.